Top 5 Best Kitchen Scale 2025.
Number 5.
Kitchen Scale in 2025. Precision meets smart technology. A modern kitchen isn't complete without a reliable kitchen scale. In 2025, kitchen scales have evolved far beyond simple weight measurement. They are now smart, accurate, and multifunctional, designed to help you cook, bake, and track nutrition with professional-level precision. Whether you're a home chef, a baker, or someone following
Number 4.
a strict diet, the digital kitchen scale is your perfect assistant. From weighing spices to portioning meat, kitchen scales ensure consistent results, reduce food waste, and support healthier eating habits. Glowing star key features of modern kitchen scales in 2025. CheckMark high-precision sensors. The latest kitchen scales use high-accuracy sensors that measure as little as 0.1 grams, making them perfect for
Number 3.
both micro and macro measurements, from herbs to whole produce. CheckMark Smart App Connectivity. Most kitchen scales in 2025 come with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to sync with apps like MyFitnessPal, Apple Health, or their own brand apps. You can track calories, macronutrients, and recipes with ease. CheckMark multiple units and tare function. Convert measurements instantly between
Number 2.
grams, ounces, milliliters, and pounds. The tare function helps reset the scale to 0 with containers, simplifying multi-ingredient recipes. CheckMark touchscreen displays. Sleek touch-sensitive LED or LCD screens provide clear readings, easy switching between units, and intuitive controls. CheckMark rechargeable and eco-friendly. Goodbye batteries. Many models come with USB rechargeable
Number 1.
batteries or solar power to support eco-conscious kitchens. Bread best uses for kitchen scales. Baking. Precise measurements for flour, sugar, and yeast. Meal prep. Track portion sizes, meat cuts, and vegetables. Coffee brewing. Weigh beans and water for perfect brews. Keto or dieting. Calculate food weight and calories. Pet feeding. Control pet food servings accurately.